This resource I'm going to share with you today is called Starfall. You can go to Starfall by simply going to www.starfall.com. Starfall is a wonderful, engaging, free website that I have chosen to use as supplemental phonics instruction for my kindergarten and previous first grade students. Starfall is a website designed to allow children to have fun while learning. From my experience, kindergarten through second grade students would agree that this is a fun way to learn how to read. The students seem to thoroughly enjoy Starfall's use of animation and sound. Today, I'm going to share with you how you can use the Starfall website to specifically instruct phonics and literacy instruction.